Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to close your Kia Sportage hood step by step. First, always make sure that there are no tools, rags, or any other items left inside the engine compartment. This is a crucial safety step to prevent damage. Next, gently lower the hood until it is approximately 1 foot, or about 30 centimeters, above the main latch mechanism. Also, quickly check for any obstructions around the hood's perimeter. Now for the actual closing action. From that height of about 12 inches or 30 centimeters, simply release the hood. Let its own weight do the work. The hood is designed to latch securely when dropped from this specific distance. It's important to avoid pushing down on the hood with your hands, as this can potentially cause dents or damage to the hood surface or the latching mechanism itself. Just a gentle drop is all it takes. After the hood has dropped, it's essential to confirm it's securely latched. Gently try to lift the front edge of the hood. If it's properly closed, it should only move up by a very small amount, typically no more than 1/4 inch or about 6 millimeters. This slight movement indicates the primary latch is engaged. Also, ensure the secondary safety latch is fully engaged, preventing accidental opening while driving. For your final safety checks, take a moment to visually inspect the hood's alignment. It should sit flush and evenly with the surrounding fenders and body panels. Also, ensure no hood open warning lights are illuminated on your dashboard once you start the vehicle. Always make it a habit to quickly recheck the hood's security before you begin driving, ensuring peace of mind on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.